Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming capability. Check your Samsung model supports 4K UHD and that you use an HDMI 2, 0 or 2, 1 port. Once done, swap in a high-speed or ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Labeling matters because cheap cables limit bandwidth. Connect the source device to the TV's labeled UHD/ARC HDMI port, then power both on. Make sure the source outputs 4K. Many devices default to 1080p. Now navigate the TV input so we can change menu settings and enable the UHD pipeline. Once the cable and ports are correct, go into Settings and open External Device Manager. Enable UHD Color or Input Signal Plus for the HDMI port you used. This unlocks 4K bandwidth and HDR. Next, set your TV's picture size and mode to accommodate 16, 9 and a native panel refresh rate. Then switch to the source device. Choose 3840 by 2160 resolution and the refresh rate you want, like 60 Hz for smooth motion. Make sure HDR settings match between devices. You finish by verifying the active signal. Open TV info to confirm 3840 by 2160 and your selected hertz are displayed. If colors look off, enable HDMI deep color or set the TV color space to match the source. Also check for firmware updates on both TV and source. Updates often fix handshake issues. If you still don't see 4K, swap cables or ports and restart both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: a single older or faulty cable will prevent 4K. Always test with a known good ultra-high-speed cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.